James Pernicano. 25B82401B and C and A. Name?
Paul James Pernicano.
We have a 3-count charge here, animal violation, vicious act, dog at large, no dog license. You have the right to a lawyer. You want a lawyer?
No, sir. No, Your Honor. And I do apologize for my phone going off. First thing I did is turned it off. Yes, I'm sorry.
On December 28 of 24, it is alleged that you did have a dog on Morrill Drive near Dawnshire in Brownstown. No dog license is count 1, civil infraction. Dog roaming at large is count 2, civil infraction. And 3, count 3 is a vicious act, dog on dog attack. It says that is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to $500 in fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all of those. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign the advice of rights form and read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. There will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You have the right to a lawyer. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer.
Yes.
You understand all your rights.
Yes.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a not guilty plea.
Thank you. For the dog tags.
Hang on 1 second. What kind of a dog is that?
German Shepherd.
Does anybody else live in the home with you?
No.
$500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law. You must appear in court as directed. There's to be no contact with the owner of the other dog or prosecution witnesses. You cannot write, phone, see, text, email, or communicate with him or them or have anybody else do any of those things for you. Right? Fenced in yard or on a leash, accompanied by you, but also equipped with a muzzle. Do you understand that? Yep. Do you understand that?
Yes.
That's a condition of your bond. House, fenced-in yard, muzzle, accompanied by you on a leash. One of those 3 things. You understand that?
Yes.
And I can tell you.
My dog guilty before.
Pardon?
You're making my dog guilty of this offense before.
Really?
Yes, because he's not a vicious dog by far. You don't know the situation, Your Honor. You do not. And it's unfair. Those people that actually
Slow down.
the people that
Slow down.
Sorry. The people that
Slow down. It's my turn to talk.
Thank you.
They don't pay me enough to argue with
I hear
people.
you,
Let's
Your Honor.
hang on a second. I want to make clear that you understand this. I do not argue with people.
I'm not arguing.
And they're not going to argue with me. And if you think I'm unfair, go out in the hallway, tell people, go on Facebook, go out in the parking lot, tell whoever you want, whatever you want, whenever you want. I could care less. You understand?
Yes.
This is a condition of bond. There's not a judge worth 14 cents in the country that wouldn't order this based on the little information that I have. So if you think it's unfair, that's too bad. I could care less. If I find out you're not complying with the bond conditions, we're going to have a big problem, you and me. Do we understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good. If you decide you want a lawyer going forward, you can fill out a petition for one if you can't afford one. If you can afford one, you'll have to hire your own. But I'm not about to argue with somebody about a bond condition that is so customary and so common in these types of cases. You got it?
Fair enough, Your Honor.
When they quadruple my salary, maybe, just maybe, I'll argue with people, but not until.
I appreciate it.
Good. Give me a pretrial date, Lisa.
February 12th at 10.
February 12th at 10. Give them a copy of the bond sheet. Give them a copy of the notice. Again, if you decide that you want to hire a lawyer, you can. If you decide that you can't afford one and want one, then you can fill out a petition for one. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Where's Mr. Baldwin? Is he left again?
Sorry. I have bad leg.
Brenda Lynn